Aziz Isa back with another important message. What will you do if you feel like you don't have the right guidance in your affiliate marketing business? You feel like there is no one to show you the way to go. You feel like you are dabbling by jumping from one product to another without result. Don't do what works, do what works and duplicate. Well, today I'm gonna share with you a powerful blueprint that will boost your affiliate marketing business. So let me turn this camera around and share with you the secret. Okay guys, literally what happened, when we start looking on, searching on Google how to start affiliate marketing. Guys, by the way, the search volume here is around 2900 search per month, and we have 194 million results on Google. So literally you are overwhelmed with offers, right? So, and most of the time we start with platform like Clickbank, GVZoo, Wire Plus, and we end up losing a lot of money. One thing is for sure, we end up losing more than $200, more than $197, in our search to make it online. So ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the brand new Kickstart challenge. Yes, by the way guys, you can go ahead and scan Superman QR code to access the official video presentation of the Quick Start challenge. Okay, do you like my video so far? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified each time we upload a new video. So guys, the Quick Start challenge, as we can see, a nice welcome video here, right? So we have our core program here, the homepage, day 1 until day 6, and of course we have the bonus and the support, guys. So yes, you will also get a weekly live implementation. It's like a Q&A, so, support tab that will be available for you, through your journey. So you will get help, especially when you hit a roadblock. Sometimes a tiny thing that we didn't understand can become a huge problem for us, and just stuck. So please, if you reach that step, just go here and quickly click on support, and you just need to send your tickets, right? So this is easy to do. Okay guys, so each challenge will be unlocked to you, every day, right? So let's say day 1, you work very hard, to make it in day 1, and then next day, and day 2 will be unlocked, and so on. And after day 6, everything will be available to you guys. But I strongly recommend, strongly advise that you take things step by step, and you put all your energy to work very hard, and smart, by asking questions, the more question you ask, the better it is and better to be. Okay, guys. Now let's talk about the price, guys. Let's talk about the price. I think that's what every body is waiting for. Normally for a course like this, design like this, designed to make people succeed online, those type of course costs around $1,000 and plus, but this one will be at the cost of $197, right? So it's under the $200 price range, right? And you will get, of course, your bonuses here that will be available for you. So I will let you discover that easily, right? And wait a minute. So instead of by the way, I didn't tell you, you will get 6 weeks, 6 weeks of support, through your challenge. You will get 6 weeks of support, which is awesome, and you will get an extra 6 weeks again. So basically you will get 12 weeks of Q&A and extra support. How about that, guys? This is really awesome. Yes, guys. So you can of course access the link in the description and accept the challenge. Okay, let me turn this camera back, guys. Okay, guys, let's quickly summarize. You have 6 days to complete the quick start challenge, but you will get 6 weeks of coaching, right? Or let's say 6 weeks of support. But also as a bonus, you will get an extra 6 weeks. So in total, you will get 12 weeks of support, which is really brilliant, guys. Second point, let's talk about price. So honestly, a premium quality course will cost something around $1,000 to up, probably more, but the quick start challenge with all the amazing content that is inside, especially the 4 area of focus, it's really mind-blowing, guys, honestly. And the price is only let me say the price is $197. Okay, guys, with that being said, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you on the inside.